Hello, I'm Holly and I want to welcome you to another collab loop group video. These collab loop groups are put together by some wonderful content creators that are led by Creatively Lisa Marie. She comes up with the themes and all of us kind of do our own little take on each theme. So when you're done watching this video, you like, if you're generous, you subscribe, but you go to the description and click the link to the next video in the loop. Once you get back to the video you started with, then you know you've completed the loop. I hope you enjoy watching as much as I do. So the theme for this collab loop group is home. And I thought what I would do for this one is actually make my spring cleaning list. Because I typically do my spring cleaning over spring break. I am not one of those fun people who goes on vacation. No. I am a homebody and I stay home. So I wanted to do something specific for my kitchen. And I thought the farmhouse sticker book from Happy Planner, I have two of them, would be a great one to use for this because it just kind of has that homey, kitchen-y vibe to it. So let's get started. I'm gonna try and find a banner that I can put at the top. I think this one would work. Let's see. So the reason why I'm focusing on my kitchen in particular is I've noticed that it needs the most love and I really need to declutter. Like, we have a ton of mugs, we have a ton of like coffee cups, like travel coffee cups. Just made it. It's just a lot of different things that I feel like I could use in a different way. So we've got some, this book's almost all used up. I think I'm gonna use some check boxes. I know there's checklists here, but I'm gonna, I kind of want to put my functionals down first, that's why. So cabinets, I want to go through and declutter. Donate anything that is donatable. Toss anything that's tossable. And then reorganize. So do you, when you spring clean, like obviously I'll do some other cleaning stuff too, but do you like to focus in a specific area? I never thought about it until now that maybe that's a better way to do the spring cleaning type thing. Let's grab this checkbox. Next, so cabinets, the baker's rack needs some love too. Let me see, do I have other colors of these check boxes in the other book? Oh no, we're all in like the taupey category here today. Nothing wrong with that. Let's see. We'll use all the, I have one green one, so we won't mess with that. So we've got cabinets. Here I'm gonna put baker's rack. I almost want to change the baker's rack to being like a coffee bar. I just don't know if I can retrain myself and my husband that that's where the coffee is. Isn't that silly? Because right now it's kind of a command center, so maybe we should just keep it as a command center. So again, declutter. Most of this is going to be like toss. There won't be really donatable items here. And then let's put on this one. So on top of the fridge is where we keep a lot of like over-the-counter things. And sometimes you just gotta go through that and toss what's not. Not anything with an expiration date. Deep clean inside. Toss expired. I didn't need, it's fine. Toss expired items. And then counters. I want to do the cabinets first though, because if I can make more space in my cabinets, like getting rid of certain things, I think some of the things on the counters could technically go in the cabinets, and then it would look less cluttered. I think those are the big things there. Let's add some deco because we can. I think what I'm going to do first is I'm going to do the sparkly. I just saw them and then they disappeared. Why does that happen to me in stickers? They just disappear. Let's do sparklies first. Oh, this page fell out. It must mean I should use the whole thing, right? Right. Let's do, since this page has stars on it anyway. Let's go here. And doesn't making like a fun little sticker page for your cleaning way better? It makes it, oh, hey, you come back here. It makes it much more fun to clean, right? At least that's what I'd like to think. Okay, let's put it. You there. I know I cut some of the paper. It's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. Let's do this guy. I think I might just go ahead and cut him in half. Why not? I didn't do an excellent job, but hey, you get it done. Do you do any type of spring cleaning? Like I said, I'm really interested in a very focused area. I think that might help me get things done. I've been really wanting to do this, and so doing this the week of my spring break is going to be beneficial. At least that's what I think. Let's put you there, and then we'll do some snipping. that's all of those stickers. And I was gonna add some of these greenery stickers. I just like that calm vibe. Because cleaning does not have to be stressful, right? That's what I'm saying. Man, I am just crushing this book today. I was thinking about if I was going to do anything on the back side, and I don't think so. I think we're just going to leave it here. I might see, do I have any of the, we had some of the taupey leaves. Why not? I think that may do it, my friends. So, there you have it, my little kitchen spring cleaning checklist for my spring break, because, yep, that's what I do. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check the description box below for the next video in the loop, and I'll catch you all in the next one.